I I want to express myself. I want to express what is in my heart, and I want to use my own creativity in how I voice my expression into the world. And whether that's through my words or through my visuals, I want it to come from me, because I feel like that is the most authentic way to do it.
Yep.
And
Yep.
that's why I would every day choose Sprout over a professional graphic designer. Not be at the evolution I am today in my colors, in my branding, in, the backgrounds that I'm using, if I had not done Sprout. If I had just gone to a graphic designer and paid them to do it, I would probably still be black, white, and red. And that is not this iteration of me. That is not who I am anymore. It truly is the lioness mama. It truly, that's who you are. Like when you said lioness, I just got shivers. It's like, that's exactly who you are. When we are in your container, we know that we are loved, that we are nurtured, that we are valued. It's such a safe space. It's like a mother's unconditional love for their child. Your child could do and say anything, and you are still going to love them no matter what. And I feel like even if we come with our, less than perfect sketches or our, muddled up colors or whatever it is, there's never any feeling that it's not good enough. There's never any feeling that I can't just turn up and even show you the things that I'm not so proud of and just go, Lauren, help me. I'm not sure what I'm doing here. So it truly is a safe space where we feel that unconditional positive regard. Really, there's such value that can come from the live meetups, because we've all been doing our own things in our own little silos, and we come together and you get to, to have people reflecting on each other's work. And it's not in a judgmental way at all. That definitely helped me hone my colors and hone some of my style, because I was having things reflected back to me that I maybe didn't even see about myself. I can remember some people saying, oh, I love those soft blues for you because that really illustrates your more nurturing side. Whereas I had the black and the white and the red. Once I brought the blues in, people were, reflecting back to me, oh yeah, I really see that as you, because that's that softer side of you.
Yeah.
The black and white was more harsh.
Yeah.
So having the peer feedback, I think, is so valuable.